Bajiksiwe abafundi bakaGrade R6 kanye no11 ezikoleni zasesoshanguve ngenxa yokungabibikho kwempahla yokuyivikela eyanele kuzo. Labafundi bebephindele esikoleni yokuqala ngemva kwezinyanga ezine, kanti umnyango wezemfundo waseGauteng uthi lezikole zizoyithola namhlanje lempahla. Abazali nabafundi banokuphawula okungafani ngokuvulwa kwezikole namhlanje.
Isimo cha sona asigculisi kodwa sizawuthini ngoba isikolo sashiswa, imishini eminingi yalimala impela, imishini yokufotocopa, imishini yokukhipha amaphepha, imiphumela into lethemu lokuqala asikayitholi.
The whole situation remember ka March this thing was low. Now the rate is so high. Obviously they seen for this thing is so dangerous. Why no bana santse ba wele sekolong?
I'm happy because when I get here, I see that the teachers, they are organized and they are keeping a social distance. And I am happy that my child is safe.
In Northern Cape khona abazali esikoleni samabanga aphansi itsuwe eHundingflay bathi bakhathazekile ngamathuba okutheleleka kwabafundi njengoba kuphindele abafundi bakaGrade 6 kulesikole esingenawo amanzi kanye nezindlu zangasese zomgodi esezindala. Babalelwa einkulungwaneni engamashumi abafundi bakaGrade 6 abavulile namhlanje kulesa sifundazwe.
I'm feeling very bad because I'm worried about my child is here and there is nothing. I even left him at home because I don't want him to come here because I know there's no toilets here and there's no water. Because when the school opened, we were here and there was no water.
Kusenjalo elokishini laseBoyitumelong eNorthwest amaphoyisa anqande umbhikisho obuhleliwe wenhlangano yabafundi iCOSAS njengoba ifuna ukuhlolwe bonke abafundi kanye nothishela ngaphambi kokuvulwa kwezikole.
We are aware of cases that are raising on a daily basis. And here in Siqalile Secondary School, the school that you are in front of currently, there was cases confirmed, and other teachers and learners were quarantined for a 14-day period. They are back today, and you also know that there are symptomatic people. Even though screenings and sanitization are done on a daily basis, we cannot be guaranteed that lives of learners are safe in schools.
Eastern Cape umnyango wezemfundo uthi awukulungele ukwamukela bonke abafundi ezikoleni namhlanje, wacela ukuthi kungangcono amanye amabanga avule uma sekudlule ubusika. Lesinqumo sokungavumeli wonke amabanga ukuthi avule namhlanje semukele umfelandawonye weANC kulesa sifundazwe njengoba ukhala ngesibalo esiphezulu sothishela sebeshonile ngenxa yeCovid-19.
As we speak, by last week more than 20 educators have since passed on in the province, and we're of the view that we can't proceed in the face of those challenges and add more numbers into the system, because already our health system in the province is facing challenges to cope with the present numbers.